Hi again, Hillcrest. How was your week online? Good, I hope. This video will be much shorter than last week's one, being the first assembly in about a month. There was a lot to get through, reviewing last term, and also looking forward to what will be happening to some very important developments for this term, especially for Year 11 and Year 13. I hope you've had a chance to look at it. If not, look below for the relevant YouTube link, just to bring you up to date. It's weird to be sitting at home and yet in school. Some are even in a different country. It can also be frustrating when the internet is slow or there are power cuts too. Your teachers are experiencing the same difficulties as you, so please be patient with each other. One small crumb of comfort is that at least every day is a home clothes day. A few keys to making this temporary season as successful as we possibly can make them. First, find strategies to help you get to lessons promptly. Set reminders on your phone to help you, for example. A rolling start can only add to the exasperations for those who got there promptly, as the task has to be repeated for all the new arrivals. Don't forget that as far as possible, your lessons will be recorded, so if you have to miss a session due to a technological issue or illness, then you can always catch up later if necessary. Just in case you're not aware, this Friday, May the 1st, is a Kenyan national holiday, so unless your teachers have specifically told you otherwise, there will be no lessons. Formal Year 11 and Year 13 lessons will cease on May the 8th, so make the best of all the remaining time, attend all the lessons, and complete all the work. All other lessons will continue though for Year 9, Year 10 and Year 12 as they would have in Term 3. You need to continue to complete the work and hand it in. Your parents will receive a report at the end of this term, and there are exams looming too. As promised, here are some video messages from your teachers. They're all thinking of you at this time.
Good morning, Hillcrest. Welcome back to Term 3. I hope you all had a good break and you kept safe. You've caught up on all your Netflix episodes and you're ready for engagement of the brain for your distant learning program. Please do give myself and your other teachers feedback about what we can do better. I hope you and your families have been safe. You've been staying at home and keeping yourself busy, cooking, cleaning. That's what I've been doing. Ironing, etc., etc. See you soon. Bye.
Welcome back to the virtual new term. I hope you've had a good holiday, restful, and are getting used to social isolation. I had a new puppy which has kept me more than busy, as you can see. See you online. Enjoy yourselves, work hard. Bye.
Good afternoon, Hillcrest. It's Mr. Connolly here. I hope everybody is well considering the circumstances. I just wanted to say we miss you guys a lot. It's a strange situation for us all, but we need to make the best of it. I hope you guys are staying active, staying fit and healthy. Very important in these times. And I hope you all following the rules and stay safe. We miss you guys and we hope to see you very, very soon. Bye.
Hello everyone. I hope you're keeping safe. As we fight COVID-19, please stay fit and study hard. Good luck everyone.
Hi Hillcrest, I just wanted to take this opportunity to give you guys some advice and tips on what to do during these strange times. The first one is pretty standard. Try out something new, whether it be from origami to learning how to play basketball, becoming a pro gamer, starting your own YouTube channel, or even just learning how to animate. In fact, just read a book, study your holy book if you have one, and learn what religion means to you. Take the chance and just discover yourself and the world around you. You have the time. The second one is it's time for you to take it upon yourself to keep yourself healthy. Don't go out and eat too much and not exercise, nor should you exercise and not eat enough. I've watched enough 600-pound family life, whatever, on TLC to know that it's very easy to slip into unhealthy mannerisms during this time. Just make sure that you do something, whether it be from downloading the Nike Fitness app to just taking a walk out with your family every now and then. Any fitness is good fitness. The last one is a personal pet peeve of mine. Don't spread fake news.
How's it, guys? I hope you're doing well in these tough times. I know there's a lot of uncertainties and difficulty, but please continue to attend classes, do the best that you possibly can every day, and hand in your assignments on time. but please don't forget about your personal health, which is really important. Get enough sleep, get some exercise every day, and help around the house. Your parents, this is just as tough on your parents as it is on you. Do the best to make it as easy as possible. I believe in you guys, all the teachers believe in you. You guys can do this, and please stay safe.
I do hope that all of you have been able to collect your remaining materials from school, exercise books and library books, along with all of your personal possessions from your lockers. I also hope that the PE lessons have been going well. We need to help each one of you to move by getting the exercise your bodies need to remain healthy. Today we'll see the first tutor lesson during period 1. This would be an ideal opportunity for you to discuss with your teachers any difficulties that you may be experiencing or any help that you would need to make your remote learning even better. Now I'll hand over to Mr. Kodak.
Good morning, Hillcrest. To all our Year 9 students, a time has come for you to make decisions about your preferred IGCSE subjects you would like to take in years 10 and 11. So how should you make your decisions? Firstly, you must read more about various subjects in our options booklet. Consider your strengths and weaknesses and the way you learn best. Choose subjects that you are interested in, want to study for 2 years, and you are likely to be successful in. Please submit all your choices by 8th May 2020. We will send you an email with clear instructions on how to complete the options form. What about our Year 11s? We are very pleased you have come thus far, and I'm glad that a majority of you have already submitted your possible subject options to us. However, you are most welcome to let us know if you have changed your mind and would like to do a different subject from the ones you had submitted to us.
Next week, Ms. Kimutai will be reviewing the online learning and giving some encouragement to all those that will be leaving the timetable on May the 8th. Just in case Year 9 think that they've got away without leading an assembly for this academic year, we will be looking to give each tutor group the opportunity to virtually lead an assembly on a theme of the week, just like you would have done had we been able to be in school. Ms. Elgar has already given your tutors some possible assembly topics to introduce, this as from the week beginning May the 11th. 2 other ideas we have are: 1. You may wish to send greetings to the rest of the school during these times. If this appeals to you, then send them to my inbox, john.eveson@hillcrest.ac.ke, but make them brief, no longer than 10 to 20 seconds, make them relevant, make them appropriate, and make them encouraging. The second idea that we've got is to celebrate excellent work that you've completed. We would like to place as such onto our web pages. Your teachers have been informed of this, and I'll be pressing them to send me the electronic evidence that we can then publish. So, stay safe. Thank you all for your hard work. Thanks too must go to your teachers who've worked tirelessly to set up the lessons that you are participating in. We need you to stay up with the pace of each syllabus for all year groups, so when it's your turn to take your exams, you are prepared and not rushed to finish off all syllabus material. So that's it for this week. See you all on YouTube next week.